everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a one brand makeup tutorial and this is featuring Makeup Factory. I honestly didn't know much about Makeup Factory. All I knew was that whenever I'd go to the makeup department, it's definitely one of the brands that really give that intimidating feel. If you get what I'm saying. Like if I pass by Makeup Factory, it gives me that for professionals only kind of vibe. So I did a little bit of research and found that it is actually, or it was actually, a makeup brand that was only for professionals or legit makeup artists. Makeup Factory is a premium German makeup brand. Eventually Makeup Factory started to make their audience grow, and so they started collaborating with international makeup artists, and they've also made their makeup available to everyone, not just professionals, not just makeup artists, but people like us, everyone. I got some of their stuff. Well, one of the things that caught my attention was that, number one, it's cruelty free. So they did not test on animals. They're super against that, which I'm so happy about. And they're also dermatologically how do you say it? All their products are dermatologically approved. I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't pronounce it right. Dermatologically approved. Okay. Makeup Factory is high-end makeup. It claims to have good quality, and with good quality comes a reasonable price. I honestly don't have a makeup look in mind. I'm just gonna play it by ear and see what happens as I pick up the products. I've already prepped and primed my face, so let's move on to the base makeup. First product I have is a CC foundation. It's 30 ml and it lasts for 12 months after opening the product. The shade I have is 07. I'm not sure if this is my shade. It's not glass, it's plastic. It also has a pump inside, which is good. It doesn't flow on the back of my hand. Parang mousse. Doesn't smell like anything bad. So as usual, I'm going to try it on one side of the face first. Okay, damp beauty sponge here. So with CC creams, I usually use my hands to apply them on my skin. Since it says CC foundation, I was assuming it'll be thicker in terms of consistency. Blendability, it's okay. It looks okay, yeah. It gives off that dewy finish. It doesn't feel matte. Does it feel matte? It actually feels matte. It feels matte. It looks a little dewy. See? You can see some shine over there. I haven't even put highlight yet, but there's shine and I like it. It looks like it's matching the rest of my body, so that's good. In terms of coverage, I would say one layer is just medium. It does a good job of evening out my skin tone. I was surprised. I thought at first application that it wasn't gonna match my skin, but it's starting to blend. The brow product that I have is the Ultra Stay Brow Cream. It has 3 grams of product and it lasts for 6 months from the time you open it. This is how it looks inside, but it doesn't look like malagkit na brow cream. I'm gonna get a brush with Mishka all over it. This is my favorite eyebrow brush at the moment. Now that Mishka's out of the way, I feel comfortable being this super close to my face. So first I will brush through. I always start here. It's nice. I like it. It's not greasy. It doesn't feel greasy at all. And it's a good color for my brows. It's also easy to brush through with a spoolie. It's not the type na pag brush ko ng spoolie sumasama lahat ng product. I'm just gonna set this brow cream with the brow powder. I like this. I like dark bushy brows. Moving on to the eyeshadows, I have 2 eyeshadow palettes. Makeup Factory calls them eye colors. You have 4 colors. 2 pans are less than the other 2. So itong mga mas maliit na pan, that's just 1.1 grams. The ones at the bottom are 1.3 grams. It has a mirror. I think it's perfect for like when you're traveling and you just want to see your eyes lang talaga. I think that the packaging is really sleek. It has that tiny window that shows you what to expect. You have 18 months to use this palette up. If I were to choose between the 2 palettes, I'd definitely use this one, 06A070, because it has more colors that I like. Okay, let me start with this shadow, the brown one. you want to just keep on blending. I'm also gonna bring that shadow down. Love na love ko talaga lagyan ng parang dark na color yung under eye ko kasi I feel like that gives immediate drama to your eyes, although lashes would be the instant drama. Diba? Parang inaantok na ewan, nakulang sa tulog. So, yun. Now, I'm gonna go with that pink shade I like. And I'm gonna use the applicator it came with. Let's see if it works. Oh my god, look at that pigment. That is so beautiful. Gold. Wow, that's nice. Oh my god. That is so pigmented. I didn't even have to wet my brush. It's not even a brush, it's, you know, that applicator. Well, there's a lighter shade and I do want to use that. So I'll probably use that to blend the middle part. So I changed my mind and I'm trying to remove it with a wet wipe. It feels difficult, like removing it. This is good makeup, right? Kasi hindi siya matanggal ng wet wipe. This time, I'm just gonna put pink all over the lid. I like that better. Then, I'm also gonna put a little bit of that under. And then some of that contour shade again, just here. Yellow highlight along with this one. I'm gonna use that for the inner corners. Whoa, that is super bright. I did not expect that, but okay. I like that. I like that rose gold kind of thing happening over here. Next product I have is a liquid eye designer. This lasts for 9 months from the time you open it, and it says shake well before use. This is 01. So there might be different colors to this, but I have the black one. So I want to show you the tip of the applicator. It looks like this. It's very fine at the end. I think it's the type that you can also bend. Yep, it's a very flexible tip. So I'll keep it very, very simple. Sobrang pino ng dulo niya. So I have the option to keep my wing really thin. Because I'm not a fan of thick wings eh. But later on I'll end up doing thick wings because I can't keep this up. I realized I don't have a blush for Makeup Factory, although I do have their matte lip fluid long lasting liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Wild Berry. It has 6.5 ml, lasts for 12 months, and I've already taken a swatch of this before, and it is very blendable. It's somewhat like a soft matte lip cream, so I'm very positive that I can use this as my blush. I'm gonna mix it with some of my CC foundation. That's a makeup hack for you. Kung wala kang blush, you can always mix your lip cream, and if you mix them together, you should have a blush with a better consistency. Yung tipong hindi siya matutuyo agad sa cheeks mo. This contour product is not anything new. I've actually had this in my makeup kit for so long. Hindi mo na makikita yung parang mark na Makeup Factory, but it was embossed when it was new. It's a matte blusher, but for me, it's the perfect shade of bronzer slash contour. And this is in the shade 4647C. It has 6 grams of product in it, and it lasts 24 months from the time you open it. It has a cute applicator. I actually thought I wanted to throw the applicator because you know me, I don't use the free applicator. I realized that it helps me create a better contour for my nose. This meron din siyang mirror. I'm gonna contour first on this side of my face so that you see how amazing the color is. Ta-da! See that? I super duper love it. It's been my contour for a couple of weeks now. So I like to contour the sides of my face. Tapos whatever I have left on the brush, I also take it on my cheeks. Nice oh. Payat agad ng kabilang side ng face ko versus this one. I like the shade so much. Parang sobrang perfect siya na hati ng warm tsaka ng cool. So I'm not gonna contour my forehead anymore because I plan to wear a wig after. You know, I love wearing wigs because I feel that it's so easy to change up your look. Now I'm gonna contour my nose, and I'm gonna show you what I mean by how useful this tiny brush is. Alam mo yung ginaganon ko siya sa gilid. So then it picks up. Most of the product is just on that side. Whatever is there, dito muna ako nagsistart. That's my contour nose. Sometimes I like to put contour here. I have the Art of Glow stick in the shade 0721D. This has 7 grams of product and it lives for 18 months. Talagang lives, eh, no? And if I swatch it on the back of my hand, yay! It's thick, but you could also diffuse it if you like for a more subtle glow. See? When I have parang mga sticks, I don't always just put it on my face agad. I do use my fingers first to kind of diffuse it. See? Healthy glow lang. Now moving on to the lips, I want to have like a glossy ombre look. I'm going to start with a high shine lip gloss in the shade Cinnamon Rose. This lasts for 12 months and there's 6.5 ml in the tube. I'm gonna just lather this all over my lips because I want to have full looking lips. And then for that ombre look, I'm gonna go over my glossy lips with the Matte Lip Fluid Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. Ganda. Hindi ko pa nasa-spread, nagagandahan na ako. Wow. And then I'm just gonna use my fingers to spread it out. A tip, if you don't want lipstick on your teeth, and just pull it out, and that's all the extra lipstick you have in your mouth. Right now, I'm feeling okay with the makeup, but I think I want more drama. For instant drama, you just wear falsies, wear lashes. Sometimes, you know, you get the cheap ones and they look like plastic, they're shiny, they're not so nice to look at. So if you don't want to look, I hate to say it, but the term is cheap, it's really best to look for good quality lashes. So I came across Makeup Factory's collaboration with Diane Nikolic. She is a German makeup artist, and so she designed a couple of falsies, a couple of lashes for Makeup Factory, and they're all real hair. Here are some of the lashes that I have from their collaboration. I can't say I find it easy to put falsies on. If you've noticed in any of my videos, I always skip showing you how I put the falsies because most of the time, 7 out of 10, sobrang dikit-dikit na yung mga glue kasi hindi ko siya malagay ng mabuti. So what's nice about these lashes is that they're really customized for the type of eye shape that you have. You know, I find this a common mistake of a lot of people, not just because there are falsies out there, it should match your eye shape agad. Sometimes, nakikita ko yung mga hooded na mata, nahihirapan mag-falsies kasi, you know, it just doesn't match. It just doesn't suit the type of eye shape. They call it the tailored lashes, by the way. So it's personalized for every eye shape. And this one is for small eyes. So let me show you an example. Kitang-kita mo dito nakalagay small eyes. This was designed to flatter small eyes. So there's lots of volume on the outer corner, making the small eyes look bigger. I'll show you another one. This naman is for ageless eyes. Definitely for those who have mature skin around the eyes. This one is suitable for all eye shapes naman. I have another one, and this is for wide eyes. Iba-iba tayo ng eye shape, diba? Not just the shape, but also the placement of our eyes. Some people, they have eyes that are farther apart. Mas malayo yung issue ng mata. Meron naman ding iba na mas malapit. So this one is for those people na medyo malayo yung eyes from each other. These lashes are the same length from the inner to the outer corner, so that ensures that the space between the eyes is not made to look bigger. Ang galing, diba? This one is for almond eyes. Last one I have here is for mono eyelids. This was made for Asian eyes. Really natural lang yung finish niya, but it has enough length and volume. I'm torn between almond eyes and ageless eyes because they're pretty much the same in a sense na ito pwede sa kahit anong eye shape, and this one is for almond eyes. I don't know if I have almond eyes, but I can try to look like her. I'm gonna go for this. Ang dali niya kunin kasi naka-shape na siya. Ayan o. The shape of the lashes is already curved in a sense that it's so easy to place on my eyelid. Parang yan na yun eh. Lalagyan ko na lang ng glue. So I feel like I don't have to cut anymore. Let's see.
Denied.
See what I'm saying? That's why I hate doing lashes. I hate doing lashes in front of the camera. I also have the Makeup Factory Duratex Lash Glue. This has 7 grams of product in it and it lasts for 6 months. Wish me luck. I love the glue. See the difference it makes? It immediately opens up the eyes. I love how this makeup look turned out. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know what look I was going for. The tailored lashes really did it for me. Please leave your comments below. Let me know your thoughts. And thank you so much for watching, and you stay weird.